Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to everyone. Our today's video is how to remove the error message when adding a media layer in Kinemaster application. So let's begin. It says you have exited the maximum number of video layer. To remove this message, go back to the home menu, click the settings, go to advanced and experimental settings, just tap on continue, then turn on the button of unlimited video layer mode. Tap the continue and that's it. Now go back to your project and try it again. Hope this video will be very helpful for you and you like this video. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.